Follow these 2 simple steps to access the motor. Alright, so in this video right here, you can see that the motor came disconnected from the transmission arm. Basically, there's a little hole on that arm that slides right into that pin that's spinning around, and there's a little clip that keeps it into place. The clip just basically slides right on. Sometimes you could find it laying in there. If not, you could find a new clip online. I think they run between $15 to $25 for a new one. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe for more videos to come. Thanks.